All right, ladies and gentlemen, as we continue with our section 5.5 where we're solving log equations, remember what I talked about on the last video. When you solve any log equation, you have to come back at the end and check it. And what you're checking for, again, is that this argument right here where I'm pointing to, this quantity that's going into the log function, does not become 0 or negative with whatever your x value is. Okay, I have the natural log of x equals 4. I'm going to write it a little bit bigger. Remember that natural log is always base e. When I have a log equation, I'm going to convert from log form to exponential form. E to the 4th power is equal to x. And unless the problem said, put this into your calculator, which is very easy to do, just by hitting, you can go to second function natural log. That gives you Euler's function, type in a 4, close parens, and hit enter. Or you can go above the division key. You can find e, put in your own caret, type in 4, and hit enter. I'm not going to do that here because it just said solve for x. Now, one last thing we have to do to make sure this answer is correct, which by the way it is. You know that e is approximately 2.718. When you're raising it to the 4th power, it's definitely positive. So you're putting a positive number into a log function, so life is good, no problems. So the correct answer, the exact answer, is e to the 4th power. If you want to approximate it, you can do so on the calculator. Only do so if you're told to do that on the exam or in a next course. Okay, here's another log equation. This time it's log base 2 of 2x minus 6 equals 1. I'm going to write myself a note. Anytime I see a log equation, I need to remember to check my answer so that this quantity does not become 0 or negative when I'm done. If it does, you throw out whatever x value made that happen. Okay, the base is 2. 1 over here represents the exponent of the base, and this is what I get as the answer. So when I convert this, this becomes 2 to the 1st power is equal to 2x minus 6. The base to this power gives me that answer. So 2 equals 2x minus 6. When I add 6 to both sides of the equation, I get 8 is equal to 2x. When I divide by 2, x is equal to 4. Now before I accept 4 as the answer, I need to check it, and here's all I'm checking. When I put a 4 in here, 2 times 4 is 8, 8 minus 6 is 2. This is a positive number, so we're good to go. So that means 4 is acceptable. And again, always check with your future instructors. Some instructors might like you to put the answer in a solution set format. It's all up to what your individual instructor wants. My students, I'm perfectly fine with x equals 4 as long as you remember to check it. Okay? All right.